Ah. Mm. Oh. Romantic girls. Ah. Come in.
My prince, your order is ready.
Drop it there. Ah. Come back here. Get us a bottle of red wine. And take the girls' orders.
I need fried rice, fried goat meat, and hot dog. Yeah, hot dog. Hot dog.
My prince, with all due respect, I am making bitter leaf soup for your mother, Her Majesty. I am making pepper soup for your sister and her friend who just came. And I also need to make food for the king, because you threw away the first food I made for him. Please, let me call one of the maidens to take their orders.
What is this chef talking about? The maiden to take my order? Are you high on drugs or something?
I'm not high on drugs, but they're humans too.
You know, you really have balls. You have balls. At the same time, you know I can also make your life miserable. Now let me ask you, between my beautiful ladies here and that long-time sick old dying fool, that stupid king, who is more important? No, tell me.
My prince, the elders paid me to take good care of the king and feed him, and not to feed your friends.
Can you imagine? Look at an ordinary chef talking to our king in making like this.
Do you realize I'm the next king? As a matter of fact, the king. Now, are you going to do what I asked you to do, or you want me to give it to you hot?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.